Okay, so I tried to make a little hydroelectric generator out of a water pump. As you can see right here. See if I can. It's not gonna focus in for me. Anyway, a little water pump. Got it hooked right there to my shower head. You can see all this was broke right here. That's why the zip ties are on there. That was previous. This all I added was this piece right here. It's basically this female adapter is all I needed to connect the water pump, and then luckily my shower head piece fit directly right on there, no problem. Lucked out. So I've already checked it out, but let's give it a go and see if we can't get this light to turn on here using the water pressure. Oh, let's not use the hot water. Let's use and we've got light. And that's just one single LED that you can see it on the video that I wired up here. You see this red and black wire right up there. Directly into that water pump there. Alright. Cutting water pressure down. There we have it.